Hi there. Welcome back to a brand new video. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up FoneTrans, one of the best iOS data transfer software applications for Windows. First, you need to visit the official giveaway page. As always, you'll find the link in the description box below. Since the giveaway page is in German, make sure to use a translator if needed. Alright, now enter your name and email address to claim this free offer. Of course, you can use any name you like and even a temporary email address. It's always a good practice to use a temporary email whenever possible to keep your personal inbox clean and protect your privacy. Once you're ready, click Send Registration. Within a few minutes, you'll receive an email from the developers containing your free registration code. Now, follow my steps to download the official English installer from the official website and complete the installation. Alright, we've successfully completed the installation and now we're inside the application. To upgrade it to the Professional Edition, enter the same email address you used on the giveaway page along with the registration code you received in the email. Once you're ready, click Activate. You should then see a congratulations message confirming that all professional features have been successfully activated. And that's it for today's video. You can now transfer all your data between your iOS device and your Windows computer without any hassle. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and hype the video as well to help it stand out on the YouTube platform. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.